Hello, you beautiful soul. Are you having a tough day today? Let's give your nervous system a little bit of a rest. Find a space to sit where you won't be interrupted for about 5 minutes. I understand the day has been hard. You might be feeling really frustrated. But in this moment, we take the time to sit in stillness and remind ourselves, body, mind, spirit, soul, that we're doing our very best and we are worthy of rest and calm and peace. As you sit in your seat, close your eyes, place your hands in a comfortable position, or I invite you to place one or both hands on your heart center. Both ways work. Choose what gets you in a space of safety and softness. We're calling in softness and calm. As you close your eyes and you take a nice deep breath deeply into the nose, filling the belly, chest, throat, and then exhaling through the mouth. For complete emptying. And then we breathe in again through the nose. Fill your chest and belly rise, your ribs expand. Deep into that heart center. Exhale through the mouth. With each exhale, feel the softness in your body. Feel the calm wash over you. With each exhale, imagine that your nervous system, this intricate, amazing system throughout your body, with each exhale, there's a softness and a lightness and a release. And that release you feel through the top of the head, through the jaws and the eyes. You feel a release in your throat, a release in the shoulders, down the spine, a relaxation in the hips and the belly, down through the legs, knees, calves, into the feet. You're doing your very best today. Things may not be perfect. You may have had a tough day, but you are worthy of this break, this gentle reminder of what softness and peace feel like throughout your body. Continuing in those deep breaths in and a slow, deep release out. Take notice of how the body softens, how the spirit lightens. How nothing in this moment matters except your peace. Now you still have the rest of your day to go, and we want to acknowledge that things may not be perfect for the rest of the day, but you're going to be good. You are good. You have a clear mind. You're in your seat of power. You walk through the rest of your day with grace and gratitude and peace, no matter what comes your way. Now, if you chose to have your hands in your lap, I want to ask you to bring one hand to the chest, and then everyone else take one hand onto the center of the belly. Draw your shoulders back down. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Fill, fill, fill. Expand the ribs out through the mouth with some sound. One more time. Breathe in. Fill the belly. Push against your hand. Fill the chest. Push against your other hand. Expand, expand, expand. Let it out with sound. Remember your value and your worth and what you deserve. Remember this moment of peace and softness as you go through the rest of your day. Namaste.